mapapanood mo man to, hindi kita tatakasan ha. Dito na ako sa Gardens. Alam mo na kung nasan to. Sana excited ka rin ngayon, no? Sana same tayo nararamdaman. Mahal na mahal kita. Lalo na yung nasa loob ng tiyan mo, baby. Wala ko ibang gagawin kundi pagsilbihan tsaka pasayayin ka.
They might say I'm the losing kind, but that's fine. Ooh, another year on the sun. Guess I've just been having fun. Just another year on the sun. Making it through.
Lahat tumatayo na, gago.
Another year on the sun. Guess I've just been having fun. Just another year on the sun.
From now on, I will continue to love you as long as you want me to. But know that pwede mo pa rin akong ibalik sa papa ko at sa pamilya ko.
Oh, may free delivery pa, Tan ha? Ano yan, Tan? Sa prank. Kami lang ni baby to. Sabi kasi kami, greatest gift mo. I love you. Wala naman. Gago pang talaga. Gago. Hindi, okay lang. Kasi may baby naman kami.
On the sun. Guess I've just been having fun. Just another year on the sun. Making it through. Another year on the sun. Guess I've just been having fun. Just another year on the sun.
Edward Allan, babe, hindi ko alam kung naalala mo pa nung bago pa lang tayo. Super dali, super gaan ng lahat. Masaya lang palagi. There was one time na nag-I love you ka sa akin, tapos sumagot ako ng I love you more. Bigla ka naging parang high schooler, napapansin na may bagong girlfriend. Sumagot ka na, hindi po, mas mahal po kita. Ever since that, hindi na ulit ako nag-I love you more. Sa'yo. Kasi I don't want you to think na nakikipag-compete ako sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa akin.
Ay, yung makeup masisira! Nasaan yung makeup namin? Si Ethan nandiyan lang.
Surviving a horror movie, touted for too slow moving. We trust everyone we meet. Two bodies riddled with scars from our preteens, intertwined in a car's dirty backseat.
Hello, mahal. Ito na yun. Andito na tayo sa araw na pinakaiintay natin. Sa dinami-dami ng tao sa mundo, tayo pala talaga nakatadhana sa dulo. Mahal na mahal kita at hindi ako magsasawang mas mahalin ka pa at pagsilbihan ka pa araw-araw. Ikaw at ako hanggang dulo. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo.
Everywhere, everything. Wanna love you to prefer for the words to eat till our fingers decompose. Keep my hand in yours.
Pa, kahit wala ka dito ngayon, kahit hindi mo ako mahahatid, alam ko, nakatingin ka lang sa amin, nakikiselebrate ka pa rin. Kasi, eto nga, palagi kang gumagawa ng paraan para sa amin, lalo na sa akin.
drive slowly. I know every route in this county. Maybe that ain't such a bad thing. I'll tell you where not to speed.
Sobrang laki na nabago sa buhay ko simula ng pagdating mo. Nagsimula akong mangarap, nagsimula akong tingnan yung mga bagay na nasa harap ko. Nagsimula akong makita mga positibo imbes na negatibo. Salamat sa lahat ng tiwala at pananalig sa akin. Huwag kang mag-alala, wala akong sisirain.
We couldn't know that the sun was cold.
I saw how much you've grown from a happy-go-lucky guy na lagi nagpa-party to being a mature, responsible man that you are now. And I am very proud of you.
Everywhere, everything. Wanna love you till we're food for the world.
Ano ba, Edgy? Ano ba to? Sino ba siya? Ang sabi niya lang talaga sa akin, Mama, love na love ko si Colleen. Masaya bilang magulang. Patulad nga ng sinabi kanina ni Pastor. Parents talaga, wala namang hinahangad, kundi ang makitang masaya ang mga anak. Kapag masaya kayo, masaya kami.
Hindi ito yung plano natin. It came too soon than what we planned. But I'm already excited. So thank you for giving my life another meaning and purpose. And I'm looking forward to building our own version of family when this little one comes. Mahal kita palagi.
Everywhere, everything. I wanna love you till we're food for the worms to eat, till our fingers decompose. I'll keep my hand in yours.
Excited na talaga ako. Medyo kinakabahan, syempre. Lahat naman siguro ng ikakasal, kinakabahan. Puro impromptu to ah. Buti, sumata akong dalawa.
After that, so everybody raise your glass. Here's to the night that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid, but I can't wait to be older. Jobs they came and went, so did most. Our friends feel like the rain would never quit.
Edgy and
Darling, take
Colleen,
my hand.
I do pronounce you
Slow
as
dance
husband
from
and
faith.
wife.
'Cause that's what love is.